Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is my video presentation on business research and methodology. I am Attar Ali Channa, student of BBA final year from University Campus Larkana. This video is for my course instructor Professor Dr. Azhar Ali Shah, Pro Vice Chancellor, University Campus Larkana. This is contents of my today's video. Firstly, I will define business research. Then we will move on categories of business research and difference between applied and basic research. My third topic is types of business research, and fourth one is business research and business research process. Managerial value of business research is my last topic. So in business researchers must do systematically collect data, compile data, analyze and interpret data to provide quality information. The information which will use for a decision making, based on which decision maker will be able to take decision in an optimum manner. Optimum manner means a business research who give information through systematically collect data, compare, analyze and interpret data and make new information for decision making. The second contrast of business research, Zickman defined in 2007, is a systematic and objective process which is gather, record and analyze data in a systematic manner. These two definitions shows a data which is run systematically. A thing which is random is not a research. A research word means make a thing known which is already unknown. There is my second topic, the two categories of research, applied business research and basic business research. Applied business research is conducted to address a specific business decision for a specific firm or organization. Which research will be done specifically or particularly for a particular organization is called applied business research. And basic business research is research conducted without a specific decision in mind that usually does not address the needs of a specific organization. Which research is conduct generally, not for a particular reason, not for a particular organization, is called basic research. Tell you the difference between applied and basic research. Applied business research is conducted to address a specific business decision for a specific firm or organization. The two categories of research are not completely independent, and the basic research often provides the foundation for later applied research. There are very few aspects of research that apply only to basic, only to applied research. The main difference between basic and applied research is mainly the applied research is a practical research which will done by a particular organization for a particular reason, and the basic research is almost theoretical research which is generally research conducted for a general purposes and for general organizations. There is my next topic, the types of business research. Three types of business research: exploratory, descriptive and causal. The exploratory research conduct to clarify ambiguous situation or discover ideas that may be potential business opportunities. The exploratory research is a highly unstructured data which is as well as question is also unknown, is unstructured data, highly unstructured data which will collect and analyze in it. And descriptive research describe characteristics of objectives, people, groups, organization or environments. In descriptive research, it's unstructured data which we collect and analyze in a formal way. As well as descriptive research is the mostly a qualitative research which will done in business research. And causal research allow causal inferences to be made, seeks to identify cause and effect relationship. Simply, in causal research we examine the relationship and identify the effect of relationship. It's a highly structured data and all information is available in causal research. Now here is the third topic of my today's session, the business research process. Defining the first step of business research is the defining the research objective, and second is planning the research design, sampling, data gathering, data processing and analysis, drawing conclusion and report preparation. This is the graph of a business research process. First, a researcher defining the research objectives. Second, he will create a research, he or she will create a research design and sampling. Then sampling for a data collection. The data collection will run, it means data analysis, and conclusion and report, it will come back to a researcher for decision making and business research. After identifying and clarifying the problem, the researcher must formally state the research objective. And second step, the planning and research design. Research design, a master plan that specifies the methods and procedures of collecting data and analyzing the needed information. The sampling involves any procedure that draws conclusion based on measurement of a portion of the population. The fourth steps of the business research process involves any procedure that draws conclusion based on measurement of portion of the population is the data gathering. The fifth and second last process and step application of reasoning to understand the data that have been gathered. And last and conclusion part of the business research is that the conclusion and report preparation stage consists of interpreting the research result, describing the implications, and drawing the appropriate conclusion for decision. There is fourth and last topic of my session is managerial value of business research. The first managerial value of business research is product oriented. Describe a firm that priority decision making in way that emphasize technical superiority in the product. And second managerial value is production oriented. Describe a firm that priorities efficiency and effectiveness of the production process in making decisions. The third marketing oriented describe a firm in which all decisions are made with the conscious awareness of their effect on the consumer. So here is a graph. The product oriented firm is for example, the fashion industry makes clothes in style and sizes that few can adopt. The product oriented firm, the focus is on technicians and experts in the field. And second is production oriented firm. For example, US auto industry assembly line process is internet on reducing costs, production as low as possible. Production oriented, the directly impact and focuses on line employees, engineers, accountants, and other efficiency experts. The marketing oriented firm is directly focuses on customers. Well-known hotel chains are designed to address the needs of travelers, particularly business travelers. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.